Sunday, Sunday. Ahoy everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Veronica Oliver. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is gonna be a big day because we have a big shipment to go through. Long hair, short hair, whatever hair you can think of, because it's all about wigs today. All about wigs, baby. All the wigs I'm gonna show you today are from a company called ANIBIU. They sent me 9 different pieces. Yes, 9. And why am I not showing this finger? Because as you may have known, I posted it on my social media, I broke my fingernail in half, and even though now it's kind of growing back, it's still super hideous. It was still bleeding the other day and it just looks really bad. So in a couple of days I hope I'm gonna be able to get my nails done and figure something out with this one, but a few days ago it was really bleeding hard and I had to peel half of my nail off with a piece of flesh on it, and it was just so hideous. And I really felt like kind of a John Wick character or some badass in a movie that takes off his own knife of his body or his own bullets, because this just was so painful. And if you took a piece of your flesh out of your body in a past, you know what I'm talking about. I know, hideous, gorish, whatever, but just so you know, this hand is kind of, today should be non-existent, so let's just use this one. Alright, so we have 9 pieces to go through today, and everything is from the company called ANIBIU. You'll see all the styles that I'm showing you today in the description down below, along with other links to my social media, the little store I have with t-shirts and mugs and all the yada-da-da-da. So check out the section down below as you need. Also, there's the like button, which is mucho importante, so like this video if you wish. It really helps my videos, and it also encourages me to do more videos like this and just more videos for you guys. So as I mentioned, today is gonna be all about wigs, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna show you some kind of outfit. I'm not gonna put too much effort in it, as it just takes time to put all the accessories and shoes, yada yada yada. Today is not gonna be really fashion oriented, but it's really all about the wigs. And I know you guys love cosplay and dressing up and changing the looks, so let's do it together. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and let's dive into the 9 looks I have here for you today. Wow. For those that may be curious what my natural hair actually looks like, the easiest way to find out is, of course, watch my other videos where I'm actually wearing either my really natural hair or really natural looking hair extensions. I love wearing my halo extensions, which are the least damaging hair extensions you can have on the market. I personally have very fine baby hair, and any weight I put on with clip-ins or any kind of beads and anything I tried in the past, it was a big disaster and big no-no. So I stick to my halo hair extensions. They work for me great. But today it's not gonna be about my hair, but the hair that just looks perfectly right out of the package. It's smooth, it's nice, and I really do not have anything bad to say about these wigs. But let me know what you think, because you may have a totally different taste.
And in order to make all of these wigs as flawless as possible and to fit your face and look as natural as possible, you gotta put in the work. So I grabbed those scissors and the razors and made it fit my face. Hopefully I cut it enough, because some of the fringes can be so long. We'll see.
Look how long this is. Everybody needs a little more purple in their life. What about something a little gray? that green hair was just for swamp people. Ah! And now I know why. Yeah, this color shade doesn't really fit my skin tone, but it's so cute, and hopefully my sister can wear it. She can pull it off because she's naturally blonde. This red one is giving me really a hard time, so let me figure something out because I already cut it a little bit, but it obviously needs way more work. Oh my god, mermaid hair, why are you giving me such a hard time? And you tickle me so much, so badly. Okay, so I somewhat figured it out, but I still feel like the fringe can be much shorter, so you can see at least a little bit of my eyebrows, but when I pull it more up, it just looks too fake, so I leave it as is. It's a nice hair, but wow, this gave me such a hard time. However, it's so soft and just so cute. Ah! Now with this next look, I have to confess to something because I think I messed this wig up pretty badly. As I was cutting the fringe, I went higher and higher and higher, and I basically made this little disaster. So it's not the company's fault, but I kind of messed it up, just so you know. Well, let me show you this mess anyway. So now we're getting towards the end of the video, and this one can actually pass for multiple kind of looks, from vintage to Mickey Mouse to Japanese to whatever Asian. I think it looks so nice, but first thought I had was this vintage kind of look, and now when I look at this t-shirt, I'm thinking Mickey Mouse, Disney look, whatever you can make out of it. This one also comes with a bow. Let me show you. So this is the bow I mentioned. I just have no idea how to put it on. If it's just gonna sit on top of my head or what. But you know what? Yeah, that's kind of cute. That is actually cute. Let's go to Disneyland, shall we? and change my look into this bloody red lipstick, I figured it would be a good time to plug in this new company that sent me the CBD oil, which is 300 milligrams with no THC. This one is great for sleeping, anxiety, joint pain, or any kind of pain. For me, I use it mainly before I go to sleep because my sleeping pattern is not good and nobody would want that. So the CBD always helps me. So this time I'm trying something new. This flavor is blood orange. That's why it kind of came to mind because it goes with my outfit and my lipstick. The color has nothing to do with blood orange, but the smell and the taste a little bit, yes it does. It works so far great. As you can see, I just started using it, so we'll see how it goes, but so far so good. And 300 milligrams is not a bad dosage. So if you want to start with some CBD slowly and get your body used to it, see how it works, maybe go check these guys out. I'll give you a discount code, it's in the description down below. I'm pretty sure it's Veronica with the C. So if you want to save some money, like 20% off, why not? Go check them out. So far so great, so I have nothing bad to say about these guys at all. And also now, since I'm finishing the video, I'm counting the wigs, and I actually do not have 9 wigs, I have 8 wigs. I don't know where the number 9 came from, but it's 8 wigs, okay? And this is Timmy's favorite toy, the chicken. Now, before I show you this last wig, promise me you're not gonna freak out, because I was totally speechless opening up the package because this hair is so long. And when I say so long, I mean long. Yeah, that was just the end of the hair right there. Wow, just wow. And while wearing it, all I can think of is how do people deal with this when they have naturally long hair? Like all these Native Americans or Latinas, they just have always this long lush hair below their butt, and it's just mind-blowing. Like, how can you even exist every day? Like, your life must be all about hair here, hair there. It's so heavy, it's so much work. Wow, just wow. I have no other words. Judge for yourself. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video and coming back and maybe just discovering this for the first time and subscribing. I really appreciate it, so thank you. I hope you're not gonna be too shy and you're gonna post your comments down below. I would love to hear from you and see which look you like the most, which one you hated, which one you feel like you shouldn't even wear it, Veronica, put it away. Don't worry, Veronica doesn't get offended easily, so post it down there in the comments down below. I also have my personal opinions about all of these looks, so let's have a little chit chat, and I'll guys see you next time on my Lovers Sunday Fun Day. So see you next Sunday, and if you're curious about what I'm wearing, well, you're gonna find out in my next video next week. Till then, a big kiss and ciao ciao.